Welcome to the Tobor Technology Robot Guide. In this video, we'll show connecting devices and easy robot control. When you receive the robot, it will already have the battery cover attached. First, remove this cover to reveal the battery compartment inside. Once it's open, place the handle in the same mounting position and tighten the screws on both sides to secure it. To charge the robot, plug the charger into the robot's side port, making sure you're using the correct 12.6 volts charger, labeled Robot. When the charger turns green, the battery is fully charged. Next, let's pair the controller. Press and hold the home button until it flashes. On your PC or tablet, open Bluetooth settings, add a new device, and select the wireless controller. Once confirmed, you're ready. You can also connect using a USB cable. Then, let's power up your robot. Make sure it's fully charged. This is the repeater. Start by connecting the repeater to the power adapter. Once it's plugged in, take a look at the ports on the side. Here you'll find the power on, off switch. Next to it is the charging port. Make sure you use the correct charger labeled repeater, 16.8 volts. After powering on your robot, switch the repeater on as well. Now it's time to connect the robot on a Windows system. Turn on Wi-Fi, select the robot's network, and enter the provided password. Once the Wi-Fi connects successfully, open the Tobor Tech app. When the interface appears, click on Connect to the robot. For other operating systems, the steps are similar. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the robot's network. Then enter the provided password. After the connection is successful, open your web browser and enter the address shown in the video. Then simply click on Connect to the robot to start controlling it. Let's take a quick tour of the control interface. You'll find the main sections you need, including the live camera feed, the sensor dashboard, the action panel for key functions, and the sidebar menu for navigation. For more details, simply follow the on-screen labels as you explore each section. It will display all the real-time numbers you need, and with just a few basic controls, you can fully master the robot in your hands. Once all connections are complete, you can start controlling your robot. Use the virtual joystick on the right to steer the robot, and the one on the left to adjust the camera angle. Tap Speed Up to increase motor power, allowing the robot to move faster or climb inclines more easily. If it encounters unstable terrain, a warning will appear, and you need to dismiss it before continuing to ensure safe operation. This robot features advanced camera functions. You can lift the camera to capture different heights by tapping the camera up or camera down buttons on the control screen, and rotate it using the joystick to get a full range of views. Press Camera Home to bring the camera back. The built-in flash also provides extra illumination in dark areas. For a more tactile experience with Gamepad control, you can check the Gamepad map in the sidebar for the full layout. Now, you can use your wireless controller. The left stick controls camera, pan, and tilt, while the right stick drives the robot. You can also take snapshots, record video, and zoom directly from the controller. Capturing media is simple. Click the snapshot icon to take a picture, or the video icon to start and stop recording. To access your files, go to the File menu in the top left corner and select either Open Image folder or Open Video folder. All your captures will be saved right there. Finally, remember to power off your robot after use to ensure safety and preserve battery life. Thank you for watching this guide, and enjoy exploring with your Tobor robot.